Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change or create a right ID number through your right game account. I show you guys how to do it. All you have to do is navigate to the rightgames.com and sign up into your account. Click on sign in. Now enter your username and password. After signing in, you can able to see your username over here. Click on it and click on the settings. Now you are currently signed in. Just need to confirm your password, guys. After typing your password, the settings will be open up. Now in here right ID, you need to enter in your right ID number. If you didn't already have one saved in here, so go ahead and enter in here, guys. So I just created one in here and it can be changed every 30 days once you created or modify one. Select the save changes option to save it. And now right IDs can be changed every 30 days and it will tell you the next day you are able to change it. Here you can able to see the information over here. It will give you an option here to change your right ID as well as the tagline. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.